Wednesday, May the 10th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East back with you. A little under the weather yesterday, thus no video, but crawling back into the land of the living today. Happy to report. Now, this morning, it's been a foggy start to the day in many locations. That's a look at our Greensboro Tower camera during the 5 a.m. hour. Some fog growing in coverage in portions of the region. Let's take a look down in Charlotte. Again, not too bad there, and this is during the 5 a.m. hour. Temperature at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport stands at 57 degrees as we went through the 5 o'clock hour. What an amazing spread in high temperatures yesterday around the region. It hit 90 in Columbia. At the same time, you had some locations near the Virginia border. I'm not sure how that got in there. But either way, you had some locations near the Virginia border only in the upper 50s for highs, such as around Reedsville. Much of the Triad region in the 60s, 60s in places like Statesville and Salisbury, and then up to 81 in Charlotte, Gastonia, 82 yesterday in Rock Hill and Shelby. Temperatures this morning, relatively mild, and the frontal boundary that's been the big player in our weather slowly working a little bit further northeastward. And I'll show you what that means in just a second. These are your visibilities during the 5 a.m. hour, and again, you had some of those areas of fog in the northwest Piedmont and the northern foothills that were fairly extensive this morning. Radar, relatively quiet now over the western half of the Carolinas. Some of these overnight showers that have been grazing through the Triad have lifted further to the northeast and are over here now in eastern sections of North Carolina. Back in the Plain States, some showers and storms in Nebraska and Iowa, and then down through Oklahoma and Texas. That's all with our next storm system, which gets here later in the day, excuse me, on Friday. Now, as far as today is concerned, again, this front a little bit further northeast than where it was yesterday. So notice this westerly flow, warmer air working further to the northeast today, and that favored zone of showers and thunderstorms a little bit further to the northeast today as well. So you can see the warmer air moving further to the northeast today across the region. As we get into the day tomorrow, same basic idea. Still a warmer weather setup in many spots that were so cool yesterday, and a few showers and storms near into the northeast of that front Thursday. Friday, that next system finally approaches. A lot of Friday might be pretty quiet, but by later Friday afternoon and especially Friday evening and Friday night, that next system will roll through. There's a look at potential highs Friday. Friday's tricky, depends on where that front will be when that system approaches. But anyway, late Friday afternoon, especially Friday night, good round of showers and thunderstorms. And the timing of this is still somewhat uncertain. We could see the showers still linger through at least Saturday morning before clearing out thereafter. Just depends on the exact timing of this area of low pressure. Now, it does not look to be as big of a rain event as what it looked like earlier in the week. In fact, the European model only about a half inch in much of the interior Carolinas. GFS a little bit heavier up near the Virginia border, really I-40 and points north, but it does not look like the multi-inch rain event, at least in the Carolinas. That potential shifted a little bit further to the north. So here's what this looks like in the modeling. This is the European 500 millibar chart today, and then there's that system moving through. And it's a little bit more of a diffuse system than what it looked like earlier in the week. Canadian model, this is Friday afternoon. Friday night into Saturday morning, and then Saturday morning's precipitation. Notice the showers lingering before clearing out thereafter. Let me show you the GFS. Again, today there's your showers and storms near and to the northeast of that front. Same deal tomorrow. Friday, that system approaches, and then here we go Friday evening. Friday night into daybreak Saturday, and then Saturday morning you see that precipitation exiting off to the southeast. So we'll get the timing of that nailed down, but I still think late Friday and Friday night lingering into early Saturday morning, that is your best window of opportunity for more widespread showers and storms. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.